Through this video, I would like to inform you about the latest program which I've just launched on this platform. And through this platform, I will be providing free of cost one-to-one lectures, tutorial sessions, as well as past paper practice sessions for CSS and PMS aspirants who cannot afford their respective fee. This course will be totally free of cost, and I'll be covering political science, international law, criminology, and current affairs, and that will include Pakistan affairs as well. And in order to enroll in these classes, you'll need to fill a form in which you have to prove that you are talented as well as you cannot afford the respective fee. Each form will be scrutinized by me, and if you're selected, all of your fees will be covered. You don't have to pay anything. We'll be providing with you notes, everything, and all the material and content you need for your preparation, because we understand that financial barrier shouldn't be a hindrance for any talented person. The course duration will be approximately 4 months, which will include core lectures, practice materials, as well as past paper practice. Includes MCQs as well as subjective questions. And unfortunately, I cannot accommodate each one of you. But what I'll be doing instead, I'll be picking up the best application which I think is the most deserving amongst all of you. And I'll be assessing that purely based on the responses which you have given in the form. And each form will be assessed personally by me. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to inbox me. Thank you very much.